Hey, Jake with B&H. I am sitting in the back of my car right now because we're about to take off to head up to Paulina Falls for some long exposure photography here at Sony Kando 3.0. I'm really excited because I've never really done any kind of long exposure photography because as a video person, you don't really get a chance to do that. So I'm excited to learn from the instructors, from the guys there, get some really cool shots and really get that frothy water effect, which I've always wanted but never have given it a shot. So let's go, I'm excited. All right, we made it. We're up here in the wilderness, about to go to the top of the trailhead here and head towards Paulina Falls. I have no idea what it looks like, so let's keep going. Oh, I'm gonna follow her, actually. She knows the way.
Now you go back to your photo.
Okay.
So here's your image, right?
Yeah.
Swipe up, okay, and it's figuring out what to do. The different things. One of them is long exposure. Look at that.
Oh, wow. Well, it's super easy.
Yeah, I told you.
Oh man, I'm just gonna do that now. Way easier. Just shoot live and then swipe up and then choose what effect you want to put on it. Long exposure, it becomes smooth water.
The only difference is
yes,
you want to over-compose a little bit, okay, because when it does that effect, it stabilizes everything for you from live photo and it crops a little bit. So it crops from the sides a little bit to make that final image. It'll be sharp, it'll be super sharp. It just crops a little bit.
So
over-compose
for cropping.
That's my pro tip.
It's a pro tip. It's a good tip. Thank you.
Yeah.
I learned so much already. That works. It's a long exposure of a waterfall. Frothy water. You know all those photos you used to see like at art in the park, framed up? I just did that. It's very easy now in 2019. Because I didn't bring a proper photo tripod because I'm a video guy, I have to do vertical like this. I promise I won't drop the camera. Here we go. There we go. Composing, firing. See how that looked? Not too bad, actually. Yeah, it's pretty good for my first try. Let me tell you, can I tell you my settings? What am I at? I'm at a 1 second exposure, f14, ISO 100. That's pretty good. Let's go down and check out another vantage point. My ISO is 100. I can't go any lower.
You can bring it down to 50.
That's true, I could. With Sony's, you can do that, can't you? That's right. 50 it is. All right, so we brought the ISO down to 50. Let's open up just a tiny to get a little more play. And let's see about our focus is looking good. All right, we're gonna go for a 6 second exposure. Here you go. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. Oh, there it is. Okay, survey says, oh, that's beautiful. If I do say so myself. Beautiful. Okay, so I've daydreamed my life by climbing all the way up on this rock. But I think it's gonna be worth it because I got a pretty nice vantage point here of Paulina Falls. Breathtaking, to say the least. Come on, waterfall, give it to me. Yeah. Turns out long exposure, not that complicated. Just get a really good ND filter for the front of your lens, a solid tripod for your camera, and really just start playing with combinations of shutter speed, ISO, and aperture. I mean, my ISO was pretty much 50 the whole time because, you know, it's a bright, sunny day. My shutter speeds I played with were 1 second, 5 seconds, 6 seconds, and really happy with the frothy waterfall effect. It's an image, you know, you grow up seeing your whole life. To actually see how it's done the first time, do it yourself, pretty cool feeling. And that's really what Kando's all about, learning and experiencing and networking with cool photographers and getting some cool shots in places you've never been before. This is Jake with B&H. Just keep rolling, guys. I'm gonna go shoot some more waterfalls. Long exposure photography, learning some new stuff and making new friends. It's a great time. It's Sony Kando 3.0.